Down a nickel. Found a total of 7 cents cleaning this shop. What we're going to do with this here is take it here and put it in the project car fund. I think we got almost $1 in there. Alright everybody, welcome back to Cheapskate Garage. If you're just joining us, welcome to the channel. This will be episode 2, and today I figured I'd give you a tour of the garage here. So I'm gonna flip us around here and we'll do a quick walkthrough and we'll go from there. Alright, I guess we'll just start here at the front of the garage. Got the door here, and there is the F-150. That'll probably be the main thing we're usually tinkering with or driving around. And it's getting on up there in age. It's 11 years old now, so it's gonna have some things start going wrong. It's already got a few things going wrong with it, so we'll use that. And we're actually in the process of trying to locate an actual project truck or car. Haven't decided yet, but we'll have plenty of stuff to do. But this is probably what we'll be working on most of the time. Over here, just a bunch of unorganized garbage. We just bought this place back in February, so a lot of stuff is just thrown in here. Haven't got it all sorted out yet and cleaned up, but that's what we're going to be doing today, is trying to clean this up here. If you look over here, got a set of tools that was given to me. There ain't a whole lot in here. It's just a bunch of random stuff. As soon as people found out I had a shop, they wanted to give me stuff that they didn't really like or didn't use or whatever. But you can see there's some useful stuff in here. Got a ratchet. Not sure what this thing is. It looks like a monstrosity to use, but it's got a little bit of rust and everything on it. But there's some useful tools in there, I guess. We got some spare bolts to something. Who knows? All this here came with the garage. This awesome kitty litter buckets just full of random pieces of pipe. Over here you got this shelf that's falling apart. I don't know, maybe we can fix that and use it for storage. Got this plywood. There's a spot in the house that the floor was falling through I had to fix. Got this skill saw right here. That was totally free. Over here, ended up with my great-grandfather's toolbox. And there's not a whole lot left in here. My uncles and them kind of got their pick first, but there is some useful stuff in here. There's some sockets there. Have to maybe soak those in oil, get them cleaned up and ready to use. There's some wrenches there. So there's some more free tools. I'll never turn down free tools or anything free for that matter. So we got those there. Over here we got some Quickcrete that is completely turned into rock. You got some benches here. Nice work benches. Got all sorts of junk. And the only thing up here that belongs to me is this coffee can here, which we saw earlier. This is the project car fund, and I don't care who you are, that is the best coffee in the world right there. So y'all can keep your Starbucks. We're going with Cane's. Can't beat that. And I apologize to any Folgers lovers and Maxwell House drinkers out there, but you just can't beat Cane's coffee. Got this miter saw here. Got that for free. Using that to cut some trim. All this junk here came with the place. This is just stuff they didn't want to haul out of here when they moved, and we bought it. And I got this here scroll saw. It kind of works. I think I'm going to have to replace that electric motor on it because it don't move very fast. So we'll have to test that out, see what we can do with it, fix it. But again, this was free. I want to say brand new. This is like a $500 saw, but we got it absolutely free because the motor's going out on it. So we'll see if we can fix this and go from there. All right, we're walking around here, try to get a little bit better view. This is a lot of the kids' stuff that needs to be taken into the house. A bunch of old school papers that we wanted to keep. There's an old mattress that came with the place, and I'm guessing well, it's too big to be on that frame, but I found that out here while we were cleaning up over there. But got these shelves here, got us a free pallet. What's really cool, it's got these two great big old huge shelves right here, so we'll have to maybe get some metal and put across there. You know, those will be coming in real handy. I just now realized there's a light hanging there. So that would have been useful last night while I was trying to get a little bit of work done out here. But we got all this over here. There's the corner. We got a bed frame over there. Got some old carpets here we have to step over. Now this is my toolbox, and I just got this not too long ago. I picked that up since I'm going to start collecting tools. I actually had a gift card that I got for Harbor Freight for Christmas. So that was a $100 gift card, and usually this thing's like $220, but they had it on sale for $189, and then I had the $100 gift card, so this thing ended up only running me like $90 after tax and everything. So we'll open this up here. While I was there, I picked up some 3/8 inch or a 3/8 ratchet set. Hasn't even been opened yet. We ain't got to use this thing. A 22-piece combination wrench set. It's got a standard on this side, and you flip it over, and you got metric there. And I bought this braking bar. So this is one thing I wish I had whenever I did the alternator on that pickup whenever it broke down on us. Trying to get down there on that tensioner. And I had a heck of a time doing it with just a regular wrench. And I bet you that's probably why my ratchet messed up, trying to loosen that belt up so we could do the alternator. So I went ahead and picked that up. But that's what we're starting with, is those free tools that we got over there. This wrench set, this ratchet set, and then this breaker bar. So we're working with that. That's, you know, what we got. You can see here there's nothing going on in here yet. But soon, hopefully soon, we'll have all this worked out, filled out, and go from there. I need to get some more of this stuff here. This stuff is awesome. It's pretty grippy, keeps things from sliding around. I mean, I'm shaking the whole toolbox and it ain't going anywhere. There's scissors I used to cut it because it comes in a roll. We need to get some more and finish all this up here. But yeah, there's the toolbox. Like I say, I like that green. I don't know how good it is in the video, but lime green's just awesome. Got a whole bunch of sinks, got plenty of shelves here, more lights they need hung up. Another saw. I don't even know if this works. Ain't plugged it in yet, so we'll have to try that out. All sorts of stuff. This will probably be the engine area over here. And all this is stuff that needs to be yard sold. This is all stuff that we don't want anymore, or we've outgrown, or whatever. So we'll have to take care of that. This needs to go. It's probably be sold for parts or scraps. And got one of these old school TVs. So we'll have to see if that still works. If so, we'll just set it up out here. Alright, well that was the tour of the shop. Like I said, it don't look like much right now. We've had this place for a few months, so this is the first chance I've actually had to get out here and work on it. So, but we'll be cleaning this up, getting everything ready. Like I said, we're on the hunt for a project vehicle. I'm not sure if that's going to be a sports car, or a little car, classic car, hot rod, or an old pickup. I'd kind of like an old pickup to start with, so I'd like to have another truck around. And my wife, she's also wanting a little sports car or something for whenever the kids are gone or gone to grandma's, we can take off and go have us a little bit of fun in the sports car. So she's wanting something like that. But we'll just keep looking at the classifieds and check the marketplace, and we'll see what we can come up with. But anyway, I've kept you long enough today, so we're going to go ahead and get out of here, and we'll hope to see you again soon. Thanks for joining me.